Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another segment of TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. Today we're going to talk about real estate investing. Where are you putting your money to get it to go to work for you? Banks are a joke. Stock market, I'm sorry, folks, but I've lost too much money in the stock market, and real estate is the key. So what I'm going to share with you today is going to probably blow your mind. It's amazing where you can actually get rates of return of upwards of 10 to 20 and maybe as even as high as 130%. I know it's crazy, right? But it's real. Now, it doesn't always happen that way, but we've been successful enough to partner with some investors that are looking to invest in property without having to deal with the property management side and the headaches that comes along with it. We take that all out of the equation. So let me share with you some amazing deals that we've already done with some partners and with ourselves. And then we're going to share with you how to get connected with us and how to get plugged into our system that's been proven for more than 30 years. And we service all 50 states. That's right, folks. We service all 50 states. So it's amazing. It doesn't matter where this property investment is. It could be in your own backyard. It could be across the country. The bottom line is it's the money. It's all about the rate of return. Who cares where that property is located as long as it gives you the highest rate of return. So check these out, folks. So check this one out. We bought it for $7,500, and over a course of 36 months, we generated a return of 205%. That's insane, folks. No repairs were needed on the property when we bought it, and annual rate of return 68.86%. Amazing. Great part about this, the investor didn't have to do any work, didn't have to get any hands-on. We managed the property, and he got the paycheck right in his bank account. This property was with an investor. She put up $10,000, and as you can see, got a rate of return at 148%. Obviously that was shared at 50%, and annual rate of return was 74%. Again, this property did not need any repairs at all. What an amazing deal. This property was bought with zero money down. It was financed and turned around and made a quick $7,800 profit within the first year. This property was also bought with zero money down, was financed traditionally, and within a year made $5,640. Not a big deal, but profit all the same. Again, didn't have to do anything to the property. This property my wife invested in for $6,500. That included doing some repairs to it. 36 months of payments, as you could see, $38,400. Annual rate of return 139%, and that was split at 50% with another partner investor. These are crazy numbers that are real, and it's just amazing what type of deals that we have been able to put together for investors and getting the highest rate of return. This is a property my sister and I invested in. We each put in $20,000 each with a partner, and as you can see, an annual rate of return at 45.56% and a grand total of 91.1% return over a 24-month span. What a great profit. Doubled our money on that one without question. Great property, didn't need a whole lot of work, and just amazing deal all the way around. This is a property my wife and I invested in. We bought for $140,000, did some work to it and clean up, and over 36 months on a lease purchase option, made a great profit of $66,700. Here's another deal my wife and I bought, paid $64,000 for it, turned around and sold it on a lease purchase option for 24 months and made a total profit of $20,700. This property I bought, and owner financed it to a couple that had bad credit. They refinanced it, and in the end made a nice $14,900 profit on this one. No work involved. This one by far is my favorite. All in for $12,000. Had an investor put up $6,000. It was a duplex, rented out the top and bottom, and then we turned around and sold it to an out-of-state investor and made a whopping 130% rate of return. Annual rate of return 87% over an 18-month span. That's insane, folks. This is in Flint, Michigan, by the way, and we're outside of Flint, Michigan here, and we are just getting some amazing deals. So love to get you on board and take advantage of these amazing deals. Great rates of return. You're not going to get those anywhere, including the stock market. It's a secured investment, so you're protected. Your money's not going anywhere, and in the end, you don't have to do anything. Just get that paycheck in the mailbox or direct deposit. Now, in closing, I want to share with you how to get connected with us. Down below, you can see how to get connected with us. You can email me, get online, check out our real estate website with our inventory and some other amazing deals that we have coming available. Before you go, please subscribe down below. Make sure that you get plugged in. I'd love to hear some comments from you as well, and as well as some of your successes and failures that you've come across. We'd love to share those and bridge the gap. And let's go make some money together. This new year is going to be amazing. The market is starting to decline as far as the sellers go, and it's leaning back towards a buyer's market. And there's a lot of unfortunate circumstances that stem through that, as well as sellers just having to get rid of their properties, and we're here to help get them out of a bad situation and create a win-win situation. So love to get connected. Until then, folks, make it a great day.